Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. I wish all of them were in this one. 2009 SP Authentic Baseball. We'll see what we can pull. Last box we hit a Griffey auto, which was pretty disgusting if you ask me. Derek Jeter buybacks, which are nearly impossible to come by, but that would be insane. I know Chris from Cards Infinity pulled one, and I think it went for like $1,200. But here we go. 2009 SP Authentic Baseball. Let me move the camera first off. And there we go. Yankees have runners on first and second, 0 outs. Teixeira at the plate. They're down by 1 in top of the ninth. Grady Sizemore for the Indians, faces of the game. Then low numbering, 16 out of 19 for the Tigers, Maglio Ordonez. All base. So I would love to pull a Tommy Hanson for the Braves or David Price for the Rays. Tim Lincecum, faces of the game of the Giants. SP Authentic has been pretty good to us in the past. Our first auto for the Mets, Daniel Murphy. This one is numbered out of 35, Letterman T. Daniel Murphy autograph for the Mets. And base. Rookie of David Huff for the Indians. Yeah, the Lettermans are really nice. I like him a lot. Flashbacks of Carlos Beltran for the Royals. He's on the Mets now. He's actually injured. He's coming back soon, but there it is. We got A-Rod up, second and third. They're down by 1 now. And he popped out. I think he tied it up, though. Platinum Powers, Randy Johnson for the Giants. Yankees tied it up. Randy Johnson, old school. A rookie of Chris Gochlin. Marlins. Numbered out of 299, Francisco Liriano for the Indians. And base. Oh, why did I say that? The Twins. It's a long night. Liriano. Yeah, my bad. Faces of the game, Manny Ramirez for the Dodgers. Josh Johnson. There's at least one of those every time I'm on here. And here's our auto. Derek Barton for the Athletics. Autograph. Numbered out of 299, Tim Lincecum. Giants. Base. So one more stack to go. We're still looking for a Letterman auto. Platinum Powers, Dan Harron, who's we were talking about him earlier. He's hitting like .430 this year, even though he's a pitcher. 2009 SP Authentic. Numbered out of 99, John Lester of the Red Sox. And all base. First box. For the Rays, Evan Longoria insert. Pennant Run Heroes. There's 3 hits, so we're looking for one more. There should be one more Letterman. Andrew McCutchen, rookie for the Pirates. Usually there's 2 Letterman and 1 autograph. It could be a rookie, it could be a regular card. And for the Pirates, numbered out of 65, Donald Veal. Donald Veal. So, could have been better. Not gonna lie. That was kind of a weak box to start it up. Jabba Chamberlain faces the game for the Yankees. It'll pick up, hopefully. Numbered out of 299, Prince Fielder for the Brewers. Platinum Powers, Prince Fielder for the Brewers. And final pack. Is that the one I pulled, Trip Dub? Is all base. So that's it. Box number 109 SP Authentic. Could have been better, not going to lie. We'll be back with Sweet Spot. GSNCards is out.